بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Okay, welcome to lesson number 5. We're still in the main study book part 1. Lesson number 5, which is page 11. Okay, so in lesson number 4, we studied the sound, short, quick sound. This lesson, lesson number 5, we're going to study the sound, Again, this is a short, quick sound. Please do not lengthen this sound. Many times you see people, they are trying to figure out a letter and they lengthen it. So, for example, I'll tell you what I'm talking about. If the word says amara, like in lesson 4, you studied amara, they might be thinking about, hey, that second letter, it looks like a meme, but it's not. Is it? Maybe. I don't know. But at the same time, what they're doing, instead of saying amara, they say amara. In the back of the head, they're trying to figure out what's going on. So what I would say to you there is, say the letter a and stop and think. Ma, stop and think. Ra, then stop and think, okay? Amara. That way you're not lengthening them. If you lengthen something like that, you're putting an alif with the letter, which is incorrect. You're not allowed to extend the letter. That's something else we'll study later on, okay? So instead of stretching the letters, just stop there, okay? If you're stuck on a letter, just stop and think rather than extending the letter before, alright? So that was just a couple of words I wanted to say before we carry on. Okay, lesson number 5 is the sound. The sound. So it will be, and the actual thing that we are studying today is called kasra. You know, like fatha was a sound. This is kasra. Kasra is a sound, and Urdu is a zair. Okay? Urdu is a zair. But we will know it as kasra. Okay? So, alright, if you're teaching children, you can say alif kasra I, ba kasra B, ta kasra T, okay? Or alif zir I, ba zir B, ta zir T. No issue, inshallah, okay? Okay. I, B, T, Thi, G, Hi, Khi. See the full mouth? The full mouth, there's only 7 letters we're going to pronounce full mouth. Even though it has a E sound, it's still full mouth. Khi. Okay? Di, the, ri. Now the ra is not full mouth, okay? Ri, zi, si, shi, si, di, ti, zi, I, li, fi, qi, ki, li, mi, ni, wi, hi, I, yi. Remember, the hamza is like the alif, okay? Okay, we're moving on to the exercise. A, the, na, adina, ba, qi, ya, baqiya. Remember the full mouth letters, okay? Ba, qi, qi. It's not baki, it's baqi. Baqiya, ha, mi, da, hamida, khoshiya, khoshiya, sakhira, sakhira, shariba, shariba, ajiba, ajiba, ghadiba, ghadiba, kadhiba, kadhiba, bakhila, bakhila, falima, falima, ya'isa, ya'isa, abati, abati, baladi, baladi, maliki, maliki, hatabi, hatabi, ibili, ibili, kibari, kibari. Alima, alima. Iroma, iroma. Okay, as you can see in the exercise, they've mixed the a and the e sounds up now, okay? So alhamdulillah, if you managed up to here so far, mashallah, you've done a very good job, mashallah, very good job. So you have the a and the e sound, inshallah. The next lesson, we will move on to lesson number 6, which will be on the main study book, part 2 now, okay? We finished part 1, we're going to move on to part 2, inshallah. I hope you've enjoyed the lessons so far. If there's any confusion, inshallah, go to the support button on our website, www.loveforquran.com, and inshallah, we'll try our best to answer any questions that you have. Okay, Jazakallahu khairan for your patience and your time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.